Hey guys, Miss Brooklyn here. Welcome back to my channel, Miss Brooklyn's Beauty-Corner. In this video, I'm showing you how I customize this already made frontal wig from Cexxy hair. So let's just jump right into this video. So you guys know I always make my own wigs, but this time I decided to get a wig from Cexxy hair. And this is the wig here. It is a 22-inch frontal lace wig. I'll leave all the specs down below in the description box along with the links and any coupon codes for you guys. So this is how the hair comes packaged in the box and the details to the hair. I do believe this is a body wave, and this is the wig right here. It's a lace frontal and it has clips and bands in the back to fit your head. And as you can see, I am going to have to do some customization to this wig. So I just want to show you how it comes right out the box, and you could just pre-pluck it, wash it, and drop it on your head. But you know, I gotta do a little something extra, so I decided I wanted to just do like a pop of golden blonde. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm prepping the hair to do that. I'm gonna be bleaching my frontal, so I'm just adding got2b spray so the bleach don't seep through the roots of the hair. And I'm just spreading it on very lightly. It's a very thick mixture of bleach, and I'm gonna let that process for 45 minutes. So yeah, this is gonna bleach the frontal so it can look more realistic. And I took out a section of the front of the hair, and I'm gonna just add a pop of golden brown blonde to the hair. If you want to customize it and bleach the hair, you can do so. It takes bleach beautifully. So for me, I just wanted like a golden brown blonde, and yeah, that's what I did. So after about 30 minutes, this is what I had, and I was content with that. As you can see, the frontal is looking really good. I washed the hair out and I let it air dry. This is what you have here. So of course the hairline itself is not to my liking. It's pre-plucked, but not to my liking. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna define and pluck the hair even more. I have a full detailed tutorial on my channel, actually a few, on how to pluck hairlines to your liking. I'm gonna link them in the iCard above and down below in the description box for you guys to reference if you're interested in that. After doing the hairline, this is what I have here. I knew I was going to do a middle part, and so I parted the hair. But check out all the hair I took out. It doesn't look like I took out a lot, but I did take out a lot of hair. So now all I'm going to do is add some deep layers in the hair. I want this hair to be full. It is only 22 inches and the density is not to my liking because I like a lot of hair. But for those of you that like lighter hair, shorter hair, this video is for you guys. But to give the illusion of fuller hair, I'm gonna go in with a lot of layers. Now what you guys don't know is the more layers you put into your hair, the fuller your hair can look. So I'm going in with some layers, and I'm going to take off a couple of inches. By the time I was done with this hair, it was about 20 inches only. So this is the hair. I just braided it so that you guys can see the realism in it, and it's looking really good. This hair is super, super soft. Now I have been wearing this hair for 2 weeks already, about 3 weeks now. I took this hair on vacation, and it performed beautifully. I really do like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize the hair, adding some moisturizer because it's a little bit dry. And then I'm going to add in some heat protectant, and then I'm going to add some loose spiral curls in the hair. For the loose spiral curls, I'm using my 1/2-inch wand, and I'm just going to curl the hair in the direction of facing towards the face. Now if the hair was on my head, I would know how to curl it properly, but it's on this mannequin and I couldn't for the life of me get the wanding right. But I knew that I wanted the curls facing towards the face because I wanted it very loose, and you'll see the end result. So this is how I'm curling the hair on the mannequin head, but on my head it would have been a different rotation, but it doesn't really matter because it came out exactly how I wanted it to. All right, well done. Hair looking mighty good. I'm gonna go in with a wide tooth comb, and I'm just gonna comb these curls out because, like I said, I want loose waves. And after a while, I just stopped using the wide tooth comb and started using my fingers. And using my fingers was better than the wide tooth comb because it gave me the exact fall I want. Now, let me just say, this hair knows how to hold a curl, baby, because this hairstyle lasted about a week. Seriously, I did not have to touch it up. So I have a full detailed tutorial on how I put my wigs on my head. And for this one, I put the wig on my head and I didn't really tack it down. I'm gonna be honest. I just used a little Got2b spray for the center, but I didn't tack down the sides, which I should have. But you know, I wasn't leaving it on my head that particular day, but I just did this for the video for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go in and do some baby hairs. Again, I have a full detailed tutorial on my channel. I'm definitely gonna leave that there, but I've gotten a lot better with doing the baby hair process and the frontals. I'm still learning, you guys, but you can't front. I'm getting better and better. It's looking a lot more natural and realistic. Soon she's gonna be a low-key pro. Like, you can't even front. She's gonna be low-key a pro. And so this is what I got from doing my baby hairs and laying my wig down, you know, melting that lace. But yeah, this is really it. I really do like this hair from Cexxy Hair. I'm gonna leave the links down below. Like I mentioned, it is a bomb wig. For those of you that don't know how to make wigs, I highly suggest you check them out. Like, I really love this wig. I love it so damn much. But that's it for this video. If you really like this video, thumbs it up. If you want more videos and how-tos like this on my channel, follow me on my social media networks. Names and links are down below in the description box. And yeah, I love you guys. I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Bye.